Welcome back to Cooking with E&T. Cooking with T&E. What's up, E&T gang? What's up? That's what's up. Today we are having Dungeness crab, corn, and potatoes. I know I have potatoes and sometimes I don't even eat them. But hey, who cares? We got a butter sauce and we have Thai sauce and peanut sauce also right here in the front. And we got our water. We got our water and a butter sauce. And a butter sauce. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this just came off the stove. It is hot to trot. But hey, we're gonna let that sit up in that butter sauce. And then we're gonna get to talking. I'm going to start immediately. But what I want y'all to do is like, subscribe, hit that bell button down below, comment, share these videos, tell people about us. Y'all will see y'all will see T soon. We just been having some issues. I had some issues, had nothing to do with him. I had some issues, so that's why you only see like sporadic videos. But we gonna get back on track, baby. I'm gonna get back in that kitchen the whole 9 yards. All right, I already talked about Mama June on one thing, but I didn't tell y'all that I found out Mama June took it upon herself to take the rap for her man. She took the rap for her man. She real down. Mama June is down. She's a thug. She's a thug. She's a thug. She's really down. She's really down. And hey, you know what, Mama June, you the one with a lot to lose. You the one with a lot to lose. He ain't got nothing to lose. He came into your world. Please believe that. What are you thinking, huh? You putting your daughter on the line, her career on the line, and everything. What you living off of, please believe. Because if it wasn't for her, you wouldn't have what you have. So you living off that. So anyway, no need to give you any more publicity because you're making dumb decisions at your age to hang out with this man that gave you a promise ring. Okay. I can't do it. I can't. Let's move on. Okay. Let me go back up. I know Married to Medicine season number 7 is in production, and I can't wait because I want to know what's going on with Quad and her husband after they done broke up and everything. What's really going on with her and how she's feeling, and just really find out what's going on. I want to know. I want to hear what she have to say on the show. I do. I really do. Hot. I'm just going to say it's hot. I think what I'm going to have to do next time is when I cook, I'm going to have to make sure that I let it cool down a little bit. But I just don't like cold seafood. I really don't. So we're gonna start. Let me just start up here in the front. Let's rip that off. Let's get one of these out the way. Okay. But I'm very interested in what's going on in the Quiet Lane. I really am. And Dr. G, whatever she called him. Because we know that wasn't hidden when the season ends. She was angry. And nobody wants to get a divorce. And then nobody want to be treated differently. You want to be loved. And if you don't feel loved, I mean, you know, hey, it is what it is. Okay? Baby, this meat is sweet and it's good. Thank you, Dungeness crab, for coming into my life today. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all, it is so late. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what time it is. It's Saturday morning. I'm gonna tell y'all that. At 5:04 a.m. Yes, sir, and yes, ma'am. I'm up eating a Dungeness crab. And I'm going to do another video later tonight. Later today. Because I'm going to go out tonight. We broke out 300. We finally got 300. It took us 8 months to get to 300. But I'm proud. And the channel might go slow. It just might go slow. It just might go slow. I'm going to accept it. But when we get to our 100 video, we're going to have a celebration. We don't have that many more to go. This was going to help knock it down. I think we'll be at 90 if when I upload this one. But we'll be at 91. So I'm going to do this one. And another one. Today. It's going to be a seafood one too. I got to do a thumbnail. I got to remind myself to do that. I forgot my lemon. I'm not getting up to get it. But I want it on my corn so bad. But I'm not getting up to get it. I got to tell myself. That's extra editing. I just don't want to do. Y'all excuse me if I don't have a lot to talk about, but this is delicious. Baby, let me tell you something. Fresh corn is the bomb to the dot to the corn. It really, really is. This is the ugliest thing you ever want to really see. It got like hair all up under him. What this is, a female or a male? This is a male. All y'all Alabama fans that's listening, y'all out of the college basketball, Auburn still playing. We lasted longer than y'all did. I know y'all mad about that. I know y'all mad. And y'all got a professional coach. No, no, I'm not downgrading him. Cause baby, basketball people competitive. They just competitive. I can't think of his name right now. I'm not gonna bust my brain to think about it. Mm, mm, mm. Delicious. Some onions and garlic on here. Mm. 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 You hot too. This is still hot. But I don't like my seafood to be cold. I just can't. I can't. I'm gonna use the potato this time. Mm. Mm. Get some of this Thai peanut. Come on out. I might have cooked this just a little too long, but better for it to be cooked a little too long than to be undercooked. Here we go. I need that shell to come out. I don't want to chew on her. And there go another little piece. I was supposed to go out tonight, but I didn't. Tonight is, well, day is Saturday. I was supposed to go out Friday night, but I didn't. But that's all right, because I got the rest of the weekend. I'm free, child free, the rest of the weekend. I have some other stuff to talk about, but I just want to dig in and eat a little bit. I'm going to try the red. I done had it before. Mm. I like the red too. Peanut and the red. Mm. right. Let's get to breaking. It done calm down. Wait a minute now. You don't want to come out? Uh-oh. Well, that didn't break like it was supposed to. Now that one did. And this one did. Let's see. How we gonna crack you? Oh, you came apart very well. Ugh. Excuse me if y'all heard that. Get these lungs off of him. Look at all that egg. Ugh. Ugh. All that. Break that face off. Get all this off. We don't have no need for that. All right. Can we pop this open? Okay. Ooh, we got a lot of egg in this. Okay. Let's start talking a little more now. R. Kelly pulls the plug on Jocelyn Savage family reunion after heated conversation. I don't want to talk about R. Kelly. He's a control freak. It is what it is. Let's listen. We got to get around the commercial.
What is the third party city? Where's that city? New York?
Nashville, Memphis.
New York?
Memphis, Nashville. How is New York third party? It's not halfway. It's not in between Atlanta and Chicago.
I'm confused. I thought we wanted to put the girls with their parents.
That's what I'm saying. So put them in a third party city. Tennessee is right there. Nashville, Memphis.
And so how do you see this meeting going? Can you tell me what you see? How do you see it going?
I see the parents coming in. I see Joycelyn coming in. I see them sit down and having a conversation.
Okay. And how long would this meeting take? 15, 20 minutes? 30 minutes?
I don't know. It depends on him.
I'm going to do everything I can to make this meeting happen. I'm going to talk to her tomorrow when I get back to Chicago, and I'll call you no later than 4 o'clock. I have your cell number, so I'll call you no later than 4 o'clock. And we'll talk about what she said. She has to agree to it. I want this to happen. But, you know, the conditions have to be right. I don't know if she's willing to travel to Memphis or Tennessee. I don't know. So I got to reach out to her, meet with her tomorrow, and I'll reach back out to you and say, hey, here's what she said. Then you and I go back to the drawing table and try to make it happen. Whatever it is. If it's not Memphis, we can say, hey, it could be here, it could be there. We have to try to figure out a way to make this work so we can put an end to all this. They haven't seen the kids haven't seen them, and all that kind of stuff. Is that good?
I agree to that.
All right, well, you have my number, Doc. If you want to pick up the phone and call me at 2 o'clock at night, I'm not a handler. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not gonna tag on no wrongdoing. If I see wrongdoing, I'm out, and I have not seen it. Not since I've been around. So you have my number. You're free to call me. If you want to text me, you got any questions, anything, if I need to hook a call up with their daughter, at will, I'll do my best to do that. You have my word on that.
Okay, I appreciate you, and the ball's in John's court.
Well, it's in both our courses, not just ours. It's gonna be both people, both sides.
Y'all heard that? Y'all heard that? That's not what he want to do. Trust me. He don't have no other choice. His back up against the wall. Too many talking. Too many people talking. Do y'all watch 90 Day Fiance? Baby, they had a reunion show. And they be going off on each other. And I'm saying to myself, like, all y'all coming from one state to another. Why are y'all acting like that? Y'all not hanging around each other. I don't know if I could do that 90 Day Fiance mess. Go out town, meet somebody, and come back. And get them over here. And then you're responsible for them for however many years. It's like buying a car. No. If I can do that. I just don't know. But that R. Kelly mess, I'm tired of hearing it. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I'm thinking about getting a huge king crab. The big one with the body and all the legs and everything. I'm thinking about it. I don't know yet. I will see him. This has a lot of compartments. But it's so good. It's worth it. I promise you. I'm not lying. I gotta watch Unwind with Tasha K. Because, well, I seen it already, but I want to see it again. She calling out Whitney Williams about his mistress posting a picture of her right there out the window. Done said that her and Kevin ain't going nowhere. Wendy, if I was you, I would hit it, but that's not my marriage. That's not my decision. That's yours. But baby, he laid over there, looked like he sleep. I'm with Tasha K on that, and she took a picture like, girl, bye. That would be non-you. While I'm in rehab, you laid up. He ain't gonna stop messing with her, Wendy. And she's showing you that. He where he wanna be. He where he wanna be. This is not bad. I see why they eat it and scrape it and all that. But I ain't gonna scrape it. But it's not bad. It don't have a bad taste. I really don't. But y'all know I don't like to keep you. Y'all know it. I'm gonna keep on eating a little bit more, but I'm gonna let y'all go. So thank you for coming back. Cooking with E and T. Cooking with T and E. Peace.